Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question. It says x minus 4 all to the power of 4 equals to x to the power of 4. So we are going to solve for the value of x from this equation. We are given x minus 4 to the power of 4 equals to x to the power of 4. So we need to transpose x to the power of 4 to the left hand side. This will give us x minus 4 to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 equals to 0. Here we can write 4 as 2 times 2. This will give us x minus 4 to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 equals to 0. If you can look at this, these two parentheses, this is our a equals to x minus 4 to the power of 2. Then our b equals to x to the power of 2. So we need to substitute this parameter in this right hand side of this difference of 2 square. So this will become x minus 4 to the power of 2. That is for a. We have plus b. Our b is x to the power of 2. That is for the first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, we have our a, which is x minus 4 to the power of 2. Then minus our b, which is x to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So in this case, x minus 4 to the power of 2 equals to x minus 4 into x minus 4. Then we have plus x to the power of 2. That is for the first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, we have x minus 4 into x minus 4. Then we have minus x to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So here will become x times x, we have x to the power of 2. Then we have x times minus 4, we have minus 4x. We have minus 4 times x, we have minus 4x. Then we have minus 4 times minus 4, we have plus 16. Then we bring down plus x to the power of 2. That is for the first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, we have, it is this same thing we have here, x to the power of 2 minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. That is for this. Then we bring down minus x to the power of 2, all equals to 0. This is the same thing as x to the power of 2 minus 4x will become minus 8x. Then we have plus 16. Then we have plus x to the power of 2. So that is for the first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, we have x to the power of 2. We have minus 8x. Then we have plus 16. Then we have minus x to the power of 2, all equals to 0. You can look at this. This, we have x to the power of 2 here plus x to the power of 2. So this will give us 2x to the power of 2. Then this one will go. That is 2x to the power of 2. Then here we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2. Two of them will go. So we are now left with 8x plus 16. So that will give us 2x to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 16. That is for this first parenthesis. Then we have this second parenthesis as 16 minus 8x, all equals to 0, because we are now left with minus 8x plus 16. So we write it this other way, 16 minus 8x. So here we have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. Let's take this one first, where we have 2x to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. That is for the first one, and this is the second one. So here we have 2 here, we have 8 and 16. So we can divide all through by 2. So this will be divide by 2, and this other side divide by 2, divide by 2. So here 2 will cancel here and cancel here. 2 cancel here, 4. 2 cancel here, 8. We are now left with x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 8 equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. And we can use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x by comparing it with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. So comparing these two equations, we have the value of a equals to 1. and the value of b equals to minus 4, and the value of c equals to 8. So here we are going to substitute this parameter into the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2 times a. So in this case, the value of our x will become minus b. Our b is minus 4. So we have minus 4 into plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2, which is minus 4 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 8, all over 2 times 1. So in this case, our value of x will be evaluated as we come over to this other side. And here we have the value of x here equals to minus times minus 4 will give us 4. We have plus or minus square root of, we have minus 4 to the power of 2, which is 16. Then we have minus 4 times 1 times 8 will give us minus 32. All over 2 times 1 gives us 2. So here will be x equals to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 32 will become minus 16 all over 2. So this will give us as x equals to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 times minus 1 all over 2. This can be written as x equals to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So here, our x here will become 4 plus or minus square root of 16 equals to 4. And square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I, then all over 2. We can rewrite this as 4 all over 2 plus or minus 4i all over 2. In this case, 2 will cancel here, it goes 2. 2 will cancel here and goes here 2. Therefore, the value of x equals to 2 plus or minus 2i. So here we have two solutions from here because we have plus or minus. So we can separate this as x1 equals to 2 plus 2i, and our x2 equals to 2 minus 2i. That is for the first side of this first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, which is equals to, we have this here as 16 minus 8x equals to 0. So here we will have that 16 will become, when minus 8x transposed into this other side, become 8x. Therefore, we can divide both sides by 8. So this will become 16 divided by 8 equals to 8x divided by 8. 8 will cancel here and cancel here. 8 cancel here and cancel here. We have 2. Therefore, the value of x equals to 2. So we are left with 2. So here we have x2 here. So this one will be x3. So all the value of x that we have, our x1 equals to 2 plus 2i, and our x2 equals to 2 minus 2i. Then our x3 equals to 2. So these are the three value of x that we have, and it satisfies this expression. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share a video for more interesting topic. Thank you.